Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. Today I brought a very special review of the Medicinal Garden Kit, the Medicinal Garden Kit that has been gaining more and more followers. But what is the Medicinal Garden Kit exactly? This product consists of a complete kit with seeds of medicinal plants, organic substrate, and a cultivation manual, everything you need to grow your own medicinal plants at home. With it, you will have access to herbs that bring numerous health benefits in a natural and sustainable way. With your seed kit, you will also receive a free copy of the Medicinal Herbal Guide, From Seeds to Remedies. This guide will show you how to turn these 10 plants into tinctures, ointments, poultices, decoctions, infusions, essential oils, all in great detail so you can follow the guide even if you have never made an herbal medicine before. Check out the 10 medicinal plants you will have in your yard. Chicory, the analgesic plant you should grow in your yard. Yarrow, the backyard wound healer. California poppy, better than sleeping pills. Marshmallow, the most powerful plant for a healthy digestive system. Chamomile, the natural antibiotic. Evening primrose, a natural remedy for skin and nerves. Lavender, the perennial anti-inflammatory herb. Echinacea, the most powerful immunity plant you should grow. Calendula, the herb you need to keep close during dark times. Feverfew, nature's aspirin for fevers and migraines. Even if you have never planted anything before, you will have no trouble growing these 10 plants. You will find details on how to plant, cultivate, and harvest each one in the free Medicinal Herb Guide, From Seeds to Remedies that you will receive with your Medicinal Garden Kit. The benefits of the Medicinal Garden Kit are numerous. Medicinal plants are rich in therapeutic properties and can be used in the treatment and prevention of various diseases. In addition, growing your own herbs at home provides a connection to nature, bringing peace of mind and well-being. This product is suitable for all people who seek a healthier and more balanced life, who care about the environment and the origin of the food they consume. However, it is important to emphasize that the Medicinal Garden Kit is not suitable for people who do not have the time or willingness to take care of plants, as it is necessary to dedicate some attention in daily care for them to grow healthy. An important warning: it is essential to buy the Medicinal Garden Kit only on the manufacturer's official website. This guarantees the authenticity of the product and avoids possible fraud or counterfeits. Only on the official website will you have access to exclusive promotions. In addition, the Medicinal Garden Kit comes with a full money-back guarantee within 365 days. And to finish, I'll leave my call to action here. Do not miss the opportunity to grow your own medicinal plants at home and enjoy all the benefits they provide. Click on the link in the description and get your Medicinal Garden Kit now. I hope you enjoyed today's review. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell to receive notifications. A big hug and see you in the next video.